Pumpkin
Cheesecake.
If you like pumpkin pie, this is for you.
And if you don't like pumpkin pie, this is also for you.
So imagine the comforting flavors of pumpkin pie, but with the richness and brightness and crispness that you get from a good cheesecake. That's what this is.
The first thing to make is the crust.
Here we use the crackers that we had on hand, but graham crackers, digestives, even Oreos would work.
Grind them fine and add into a bowl.
And to this, we added a few fall spices just to reinforce that, yes, this is a pumpkin pie style dessert. So you see we're adding in the melted butter. You're looking for a texture kind of like a sandcastle sand, so not too wet and not too dry either.
Press this mixture into a removable bottom pan to form the crust. Bake it for 10 to 12 minutes and set aside to cool.
So while that's cooling, you can start working on the filling. Here we used cream cheese and yogurt. Now some people use cream cheese and sour cream, and that's fine too, but we like using a thick, unsweetened yogurt.
Whip that up, you'll see the texture change and look like this.
Now we're going to start building our flavors in the cheesecake.
Here we're using both brown sugar and white sugar. The brown sugar lends a deeper, more earthy vibe that works with the pumpkin.
Here are the spices that you're going to see in almost every pumpkin pie recipe. You could even use pumpkin pie spice if you wanted here instead.
Eggs and vanilla go in and finish up our filling.
Today we're going to be cooking the cheesecake in a water bath, so the foil that you see Amy putting here prevents water from seeping into the bottom of the pan.
Look at that texture, it's perfect, it's so creamy and also light.
A water bath does a lot to regulate the temperature of the cake, so it cooks evenly. The top doesn't brown or crack or sink down once it's cooled.
Bake it and leave it in the oven to cool slowly.
All right, here it is coming out of the oven, and what is that? I thought no cracks.
Top was perfect, no cracks, no sinking. That giant gash was an unrelated cooking disaster.
Yeah, okay, moving on. This is real life. We're not going to have a chance to make it again.
Refrigerate overnight or at least 4 hours.
Yeah, one thing to note, this is not a last-minute dessert. Although we rushed it. We rushed this one because we needed it done for that night. So this is an example of do as I say, not as I do.
A lot of the creamy texture you get in cheesecake happens during this cooling step.
And so here you see the texture is already pretty nice, but it was better the next day. So keep that in mind.
And this cheesecake freezes really well too. Tastes great straight from the freezer as a dessert also. And that's it for this time. We hope you really enjoy baking this pumpkin cheesecake. And until next time, we are signing off. Bye!